So the first thing I want you to do is have a look at this question, read it to yourself more than once and press pause and try and work it out. Okay, so let's do this together. Doreen's hamster has eaten all of its food. Doreen's mum gives her a £10 note. The hamster food costs £7.89. How much change from £10 will Doreen receive? Show you working out. This is requiring two things from you. Usually this will be worth 2 marks. In order to get those full marks, do you notice it's in a highlighted column? You might notice that important instructions are in bold text or they have been placed in a bar that stands out, okay, usually in a blue bar. And this is letting you know, yes, pay attention to all of this information, but this is what the examiner is asking you. Now, if you are from the US, you can definitely do this question because just convert pound sign into the dollar sign because our money pretty much works in the same way when it comes to values like this. Of course, our coins are different, but if we're working out values like this, it's also good practice. So let's have a look. We've got our £10. Remember, £10, if you convert it into pennies, that will be 1,000 pennies. Let's take away 7.89 or £7.89. Let's try the compensation method here. I like that. Here we go. So I don't know if you've used this before, but I absolutely am a big fan, especially if you are looking at this question and you are thinking to yourself, I don't have very much time. Maybe your teacher said 2 minutes, pencils down, who knows what the announcement is. You can get this done in seconds. So what's £10 take away 1 penny? It's 9.99. And what's £7.89 take away 1 penny? Well, that's 7.88. Look at how quick that was. It really works well with these zero values. No exchanging, get straight to the answer. So 9 take away 8, 1, 9 take away 8, 1. Do not forget that decimal point. 9 take away 7, 2. And then do not forget that unit of measurement, that unit of money. And I went into dollars here. I should have done that. But it's like I said, it's absolutely fine for American viewers to have a look at this question. But remember, if you make a small error like that, go back over it again. And if you find it hard to write the pound sign, please practice because it will really be useful. If you put like the wrong sign, like the euro, or you put a dollar sign instead of a pound sign, euro sign instead of a pound sign, they cannot mark your question right. So much better for you to just check how they're measuring that money. Practice that pound sign if you can, if you find it a bit tricky to do. Or if you see it in the question like this, and it's still hard for you to do. So remember practicing at school, just literally copy it, even if it looks like that, and they will know what you're doing. Now, that's your answer there for this one. There will be a part 2 where we're going to work out and use a different method.